Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm just doing a episode at the Cooks River Railway Bridge, just between Tempe and Walleye Creek stations. Just give you guys a slight pan of the area. Just on the banks of the Cooks River. I won't be talking much in this episode, apart from the aircraft board overhead nearby just took off from Sydney Airport.
We got a Tangara going over the bridge. T58. I will point out also,
I won't be talking much in this episode. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the sounds and movements of passing trains over the Cooks River Bridge.
I'm also going to basically we've got an Oscar passing over the Cooks Bridge for a client. Night Junction service, passing the Cooks Bridge. Oh my goodness, these trains come fast. Tangara passing the Cooks Bridge for a Cronulla service. The next stopping station will be Walleye Creek.
It went through the bag.
Waterfall service going over, not a waterfall, but just the train is currently about to stop at Walleye Creek. Tangara passing the bridge for a station. Okay boys, we've got an Oscar for Night Junction service. This would have come all the way from Kiama and it's going over yet another bridge.
It's been doing that for a little while. I've seen it a few times before.
Damn it! I mean, hi.
Sorry about these nuggets.
Yeah, it's so much for fast traffic.
Got the Explorer.
SP33. So we'll stop at Campbelltown.
We've got a Tangara. It is going on a Bondi Junction service. This train will be stopping at Sydenham, then Redfern Central at all stations to Bondi Junction. I love how you can see the reflection of it in the water there. That's very nice. D6290 and 279, and the rear half I cannot see.
Like good to the slow.
Might as well give you guys another pan of the area.
I've never seen someone. Man, that's like future David Attenborough stuff.
I can't squat those cups as you can. But I can squat with my feet flat on the floor. That's too slow.
We've got a Kiama service passing platform number 4 at Tempe and about to arrive at White Creek. Lovely reflections there, of course. You and you. And not you and you and you. OD 69 77. And these and set is H36. Number 3 for Oscar going to service. Train stop next to Tempe. D6110, D5110, D5110, D6111, D6186, N5186, N5185, and D6185. Tangara. Sync platform 4 and D68174, Charles Stewart University. And they are covering. They are covering. This left White Creek. The front half, I cannot see the exact number, but I know it's going to be set. D6229, D62, N5229, N5230, D6230, D6289, N5148, N5147, D6147, and it will be stopping at Tempe this train. Then all stations too, first of all. DJ.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.
Hey, can I say congratulations to Paul? Oh, you've turned.
No, he hasn't.
Oh, congratulations on reaching 600 subscribers, Paul. I'm really happy for you. Your channel's really awesome. You should check him out and give him lots of love. He's an awesome dude. Check him out and keep watching his videos.